Copyright disclaimer. Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, education and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Welcomes to Chartered Accountant Channel. Today taking about Chapter, Theoretical Framework. Unit 1, Meaning and Scope of Accounting. Video No. 6. Chartered Accountant in Industry. An accountant, though he is a part of the highest planning team, is not a planner in an industry. He works with the functional departments and translates the organization's aims in terms of financial expectations. Therefore, he has to make a thorough study of the business and of individuals in the functional departments, whether they are engineers or salesmen. A qualified accountant will be able to play an important role in performing important functions of a business relating to accounting, costing, and budgetary control, estimating and treasury. Chartered accountant in public sector enterprises. Both in the developed and developing countries, public sector enterprises have become a special feature of the national economy. The system of financial and budgetary control and of accounting, auditing and reporting has, therefore, become a matter of interest and concern to the nation, and does not remain confined merely to a limited number of shareholders. The form of accounting followed by these corporations or companies is different from that of ordinary government accounting. It is the duty of the accountants to prepare the accounts and reports of these public corporations in such a way that they enable the general public to know how far the items appearing in the various types of records and financial statements justify their existence. Chartered accountant in framing fiscal policies. Accountants have a positive role to play in the determination of proper fiscal policies and advancement of trade, commerce, and industry. They should develop new techniques and prepare themselves for new fields of service towards their commitment to the concept of the public goods and services. A business enterprise can be successful in the commercial sense only if accounting and business knowledge are pooled together. It is a social obligation for both accountants in industry and in practice to disclose greater information regarding the corporate results. The state of affairs of the economy can be ascertained only when such consolidated corporate information is disclosed. Chartered accountant and economic growth. In the present times, accountants should conceive their duties as broadly as the conditions might require and do not restrict them to only literal compliance of the law. Their aim should be not to allow any individual to gain at the cost of the nation. Accountants have to accept a positive role and do their best to encourage efficiency in individual business units and encourage those social objectives which form the main foundation of a welfare state. Summary. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are, in part at least, of a financial character, and interpreting the result thereof. Accounting procedure can be basically divided into two parts. 1. Generating financial information and 2. Using the financial information. The objectives of accounting can be given as follows: 1. Systematic recording of transactions, 2. Ascertainment of results of above recorded transactions, 3. Ascertainment of the financial position of the business, 4. Providing information to the users for rational decision-making, 5. To know the solvency position. The main functions of accounting are as follows. I. Measurement, 2. Forecasting, 3. Decision-making, 4. Comparison and evaluation, v. Control, 6. Government regulation and taxation. Objectives of bookkeeping. 1. Complete recording of transactions and 2. Ascertainment of financial effect on the business. The various subfields of accounting are I. Financial accounting, 2. management accounting, 3. Cost accounting, 4. Social responsibility accounting, v. Human resource accounting. The various users of accounting information. I. Investors, 2. Employees, 3. Lenders, 4. Suppliers and creditors, v. Customers, 6. Government and their agencies, 7. Public, 8. Management. Accounting is closely related with several other disciplines, and thus to acquire a good knowledge in accounting one should be conversant with the relevant portions of such disciplines. An accountant with his education, training, analytical mind, and experience is best qualified to provide multiple need-based services to the ever-growing society. The accountants of today can do full justice not only to matters relating to taxation, costing, management accounting, financial layout, company legislation and procedures, but they can delve deep into the fields relating to financial policies, budgetary policies, and even economic principles. Thank for watching. Follow videos and learn more.